In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Crisp Live Chat with Facebook Messenger. Before we begin, here's what this integration actually does. It centralizes your Facebook page messages right inside your Crisp inbox, so you can reply from Crisp just like you do with your website live chat. This is only for Facebook pages, not personal Messenger accounts, which keeps things clean and business focused. Start by opening your browser and heading to app.crisp.chat. Then sign in to your Crisp account. Once you're in, make sure you're in the correct website or workspace where you want Messenger messages to appear. A quick check here avoids confusion later, especially if you manage multiple brands. Next, go to Settings, then open the Plugins or Integration section. This is where Crisp connects with external services. In the Marketplace or list, look for the Messenger integration. It may be labeled simply as Messenger. Click it to open the details and then select Install. Installing the plugin prepares Crisp to talk to Facebook securely and reliably. After installation, you'll see an option to connect to Messenger. Click that, and a Facebook login window will appear. If a pop-up doesn't show, make sure your browser isn't blocking it. Log in using the Facebook account that manages the page you want to connect. You'll need a role with sufficient permissions on that page, typically an admin role, to complete the link. Facebook will now ask you to grant permissions. Allow Crisp to manage messages for your page so it can receive and send replies on your behalf. When prompted, choose the specific pages you want to connect. If you manage several, select only the ones you intend to integrate. Then confirm and grant the required permissions. These permissions are essential for routing messages from Facebook into Crisp and sending your responses back to customers. Once permissions are granted, you'll return to the Crisp flow to select the page to link. Pick the Facebook page you want to integrate and click Connect Page. This binds that page's inbox to your Crisp workspace. Finally, head back to your Crisp settings view. You should see that Messenger is now linked to your Crisp inbox. From this point on, any new message sent to your connected Facebook page will appear in Crisp, and you can reply there just like a standard live chat conversation. It's a streamlined setup that helps your team stay responsive without switching tabs, and it ensures your customers get consistent, timely answers across channels.